Kind was an Irish-bred, British-trained thoroughbred racehorse. She won 6 of her 13 races, including the listed Flower of Scotland Stakes and Kilwington Stakes, as well as being placed in the Group 3 Ballyagan Stakes. After retiring from racing, she became one of Juddmonte Farm's top broodmares, foaling the undefeated 10-time Group 1 winner Frankel. All of her first 5 foals won races, including the group winners Bullet Train and Noble Mission. Kind was trained by Roger Charlton and owned by Khalid Abdullah. Kind died on the 8th of March 2021 following complications from foaling. Kind was a bay mare who was bred by Juddmonte Farms and foaled on the 21st of April 2001. She was sired by Dan Hill, who won the High Dog Sprint Cup in 1989. He went on to become a leading sire and was champion sire of Great Britain and Ireland in 2005, 2006 and 2007. Dan Hill also sired Dan Hill Dancer, Dancer Lee, Duke of Marmalade, Dylan Thomas, George Washington and Rock of Gibraltar. Kind's dam is Rainbow Lake. A daughter of Rainbow Quest, Rainbow Lake won 3 of her 6 starts, including the Ballymacall Stud Stakes and Lancashire Oaks. As a broodmare, she produced several other winners including Powerscott. Kind was trained by Roger Charlton. Kind made her racecourse debut on the 5th of September 2003 in a 6-furlong maiden race at Kempton Park. She was slowly away at the start, but ran on strongly in the closing stages to finish in 3rd place, about 2.5 lengths behind winner Enshuda. 1 month later, Kind started as the odds-on favourite for another 6-furlong maiden at Newmarket. She was slowly away again and finished 4th, 4 lengths behind winner Viljave, in her first start as a 3-year-old. On the 14th of April 2004, Kind stepped up in distance for a 7-furlong maiden at Newmarket. This time she got away from the start well and led the group that was racing on the far side of the course. She was overtaken near the finish and finished 3rd, with the race being won by the filly Relaxed. On the 22nd of May, Kind returned to Kempton Park, where racing against colts for the first time. She started as the odds-on favourite. She took the lead and went clear, with the other horses being unable to challenge her. Kind won the race by 6 lengths from Farewell Gift. 11 days later she won again at Kempton, this time beating Swinbrook by a head over 6 furlongs. Racing at Kempton Park for the 4th time in her career on the 23rd of June, Kind recorded her 3rd successive victory. This was in the WilliamHillRadio.com Classified Stakes, where after tracking the leaders in the early stages, she took the lead with 1 furlong still to run and won by half a length from Celtic Thunder. In July, Kind raced in her first handicap, the Vibe FM Fillies Rate Stakes at Newmarket. As with her previous race, she followed the front runners and took the lead 1 furlong out, this time winning by a short head from Viljave. In her final race as a 3-year-old, she stepped up in class for the listed Flower of Scotland Stakes at Hamilton. The pre-race favourite was Enchantment, who had finished 4th in her 2 previous runs in listed races. Kind was priced at 8/1. Ridden by regular jockey Richard Hughes, she raced near the front of the field of 11, just behind the leaders, in the early stages and took the lead inside the final furlong. She won the race by half a length from Autumn Pearl, with Frasty a further 3/4 of a length behind in 3rd place. Kind started the 2005 season in the Lansdowne Fillies Stakes at Bath, where she finished 3rd behind winner Indian Maiden. In May, Kind contested the Kilwington Stakes at Nottingham, where she started at the price of 3/1. She took the lead with over 1 furlong left to run and held on to win by half a length from Forever Phoenix, with pre-race favourite Ringmore down a further 3/4 of a length back in 3rd place. On the 1st of June, Kind started in her first group race, the 6-furlong Ballyagan Stakes. She started the race as favourite and Richard Hughes placed her in about 3rd place in the early stages of the race. She took the lead of the race in the penultimate furlong, but was overtaken by Le Cacarcha before the field entered the final furlong. Kind finished the race in 3rd place, less than 1 length behind winner Le Cacarcha. In the summer stakes, Kind raced near the rear of the field and could not challenge the leaders, finishing in 5th place, with the race being won by Lucky Spin. Kind's final race start came in the Phoenix Sprint Stakes, when she finished 5th again. Throughout her racing career she earned £72,402 in prize money. Kind was retired to Juddmonte Farm stud and became a successful broodmare. Her first 3 foals all won group races and her first 5 foals all won at least 2 races. Her foals were. Kind died on the 8th of March 2021, a few days after producing a colt foal by Kingman. Note: B equals Bay, CH equals chestnut *. Kind is inbred 4 times 4 to Natalma. This means that the mare ap.